Hey guys, I want to walk with you through some of the steps on your second PowerPoint assignment, things I've seen people have trouble with. And so let's start first. You can see I have my file downloaded. You're going to see me look from the main screen where the PowerPoint is to the right. That's where I have the instruction file set up. You will see me put on my reading glasses so that I can make sure I read everything clearly on the screen. And let's get started. So I have the file ready and open, and it says step 1, I'm going to create a unique design based on two images already provided to me. So use Smart Guides to position yellow sun on top of purple. All right, so let's click on this and let's slide it over. Now when you slide it over, here's what you're going to want to do. Just make sure it sort of lines up good, right? There. See how it lines up? I've got 2 points really pretty between each one, and that's what I should have. Then I'm going to do something called send the yellow sun to the back. Well, the way you do that is click on Format and then send backward, but you're going to do send to back, which is going to make it sort of look like this. So let's do that again. Send back. Puts the yellow sun completely behind the purple. Then you're going to select the purple shape first. So let's click off. Then let's click here and here. So now I've got them both selected. And what I'm going to do is subtract. So how would you do that? Well, first of all, you're going to need to go to Format, Drawing Tools Format, not Picture Tools. Merge Shape, Subtract, and that gives you this funky little object like this. And then you need to change its height and width. So it's at height 2.8, the width is 3.09. If you click it down and the width is not changing with the height, what you need to do is come under Size and lock the aspect ratio. Now when you decrease the size, the width will follow. So you're going to decrease the height to 1.3, and then you're going to end up with the correct width of 1.44. Okay? Now, the next thing we're going to do is position the merged purple shape in the light blue box. So we're going to take this, and you're going to sort of line it up like so. Now, I didn't mean to stretch that, so let's make sure we've got, see, when I did that, I accidentally changed the height, so I need to up it back to 1.3, and this was supposed to be 1.4. So I've got a problem here. I just messed up my shape, so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to come up here to Picture Tools, and I'm going to make sure I've got the aspect ratio locked, and then I want to make sure I go back up to 1.3, okay? So once I do, that will allow that to be correct, okay? Now, I've got that in there, and I want to go to the next screen. Okay, what's on the next screen? Well, as you remember, oh, I don't think I finished. Let's see if I finished with number 1. Okay, so step 2 on small, oh no, I'm here. Small things add up. Copy and align the shapes to highlight. Okay, so let's copy motivation. How do we do that? We're going to right click on it. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to, we're going to copy. When you paste, it overlays it, so you're just going to move it. And I'm going to get you to line it with the bottom of the picture. It doesn't expressly say this, but you'll find this probably works better if you're looking at your pictures. See? Now I have 3 boxes, and I need them to be aligned correctly. So I've got this one down. It's on the line with this, but what I need is for all of these to be aligned right. So I'm going to do Shift, and I'm going to click on all of them. Then I'm going to hit Format up here, and then I've got to do Align right, and then I'm going to do Align Distribute Vertically. And then that takes that group of pictures, and now they're all aligned perfectly and they're distributed equally. That's what we're looking for here. All right, let's say we've done 2 screens of work. Let's pop over to number 3. All right, this one has tripped people up for a lot of reasons, and mainly it's because it's just a little confusing maybe to some about the SmartArt and how all that works. So here we are on slide 3. Let me see here. I'm trying to get my instructions correct. Okay? Just bear with me. Okay. All right. Refresh your briefing. I'm missing part of my instructions. Oh. Goodness, how can this? It's very odd here. I've got instructions missing. So just hang on with me a minute. Okay, here we are. Convert the numbered list to the pyramid list. So the easiest way to convert your numbered list is to click in the box, right click, down here is convert to SmartArt, and come in here to the pyramid list. And you should end up with something like that. But you notice the next thing says change the layout of the SmartArt to vertical box list. So you've picked one, but now they're saying, okay, we need you to change it again. So if you just look up at the top under layouts, you can do more layouts, and then you can come back to list, and here's your vertical list, vertical box list. Click on that, get OK, and then everything is switched again. So some of you are having trouble getting to this, okay? Now, the next thing it says is apply subtle effect SmartArt style in the best match for document. So under SmartArt styles, which is right here, at the top you're going to see best match for document, and then come over here and you're going to see subtle effect. Click on that. And then that's what you would want to see there, okay? With this slide still displaying, insert a hyperlink from the constant updates text. So constant updates, we just highlight and we right click, and we're going to hyperlink it. And we're going to come to the bottom and we're going to hyperlink in https www. Oh. So we're going to hyperlink Cengage in there, and you can kind of see what that looks like, right? On slide 4, so that's pretty much slide 3, and then we'll move to slide 4. So I am going to stop here and pick back up with slide 4 so that it all won't run together.